Are you looking for fun things to do in Vancouver, British Columbia?
Well, Queen Elizabeth Park is a beautiful place to visit.
And that's what we're fixing to show you. Hey y'all, I'm Dawn.
And I'm Cole.
And we are younger every day.
On this channel, we do product reviews, share tips and tricks for RV living, and take you on amazing adventures just like this one.
In case you've missed any of our other videos, you can click right up here to get all caught up.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time we share a new video. So we spent the better part of the last week in Squamish, British Columbia with our kids and Dawn's mom. And today we're taking Dawn's mom back to Vancouver so she can catch a plane to go home.
So since we're going to be in Vancouver anyway, we decided to check out Queen Elizabeth Park.
Yeah, there's a beautiful garden there, so let's go check it out. Today we're in Vancouver, really just to see one site. We came to Queen Elizabeth Park. We've already seen a really beautiful view of Vancouver. Dawn said this is the highest point in Vancouver, so a lot of views. It's really beautiful. As soon as the kids saw me after parking, they grabbed my hand and dragged me over because they wanted me to smell a rose. Just the fragrance of the gardens is outstanding.
Daddy, I'm gonna go see a waterfall.
Oh yeah?
I want to see the waterfall that I hear.
I don't know if there is a waterfall here, is there?
Yes, I hear it.
Okay.
Let's go. I can hear it.
I know, I can hear it too.
I hear it so close.
They don't smell pretty?
No.
What do you think about how they look?
They look
Ooh,
pretty,
baby.
but they don't smell pretty.
They don't smell pretty, the blue ones? I wish that you could record the smell because the fragrance is great. You just can't get it though. No smell-o-vision.
Great. Those fuzzy purple ones.
I don't know.
Oh, those are...
Oh, look at those really pretty pink.
Yeah. You writing down all the names that we see?
Wow.
Ooh, these are pretty. Everybody wants to see the waterfall. We can hear it. Oh, there's our waterfall.
We came up this way. And down this way.
Another view of that waterfall. What's going on? We're coming. Oh my goodness, Connor. I'm glad you were there to help him over. Oh, we made it to the waterfall. The kids have figured out that this is a really fun route to run around. Hopefully no one ends up in the water. All right. We're continuing our walk around Queen Elizabeth Park. These are my new favorite flowers. I don't know what they are, but they are beautiful. I just think the color and the shape and the variation kind of with the texture here with the tiny flowers next to the big ones is just, and then there's blues and pinks and purples. It's very pretty. Ooh, something prickly. Don't want to touch that. There's lots of ferns and really pretty textures too, like this tree right here behind me. And then these, I don't know what that is, if that's a fern or what, but I love the textures of some of the plants. The kids are enjoying this. They really wanted to go to a playground, but I think now they see that this is a beautiful place to be, and they love to smell the flowers, especially the girls, but even Connor, he's having a blast walking around and looking at the plants and the flowers. It's a great place. I think this is by far the kids' favorite path. kind of dark and windy and downhill. They liked running down it. I'll take the high road and you'll take the low road.
How pretty those are.
You're a good big brother, Connor. Or is this just so you can go faster?
Both.
Yeah, I don't want you to go too fast, okay?
I won't go too fast.
Your definition and my definition of too fast may not be the same. I definitely believe the thing about the highest point in Vancouver and some of the views. Not right now. Next time. They keep thinking that the fountains are getting turned off. Oh, what happened? Where'd it go? Where's the water?
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh, okay. All right, let's go get the car. So I think that was the second time we've been to that park. I think we went there years ago when we went to Vancouver on our last Alaskan cruise. It was really beautiful and maybe more so than I remembered. I didn't remember how pretty it was, and the smell is what really got me. Just the beautiful aroma or the fragrance of all the flowers. It was really amazing.
It really is beautiful.
The cool thing is it's free. It's a free thing to do. And it's an easy stop. I mean, you can spend several hours there or an hour, half an hour, whatever.
So this park is so pretty. All the flowers, the waterfall, the bridges, everything. And oh my gosh, the view of Vancouver, nothing like it.
Yeah, it's really amazing. I hope you enjoyed going with us today, and I hope you get a chance to check it out because it's awesome. So now we want to know, what are some beautiful parks or gardens that you've been to? Let us know in the comments below so that we and the rest of the Younger Everyday community can plan our next trips.
If you did enjoy the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
So, taking your mom back to the airport in Vancouver through some crazy traffic and stopping off at beautiful gardens at Queen Elizabeth Park. That's just another way that we're living younger every day.
We'll see you in the next one.